You got some makeups. That is the cutest sound in the world. I'm gonna have to smooth my hand and pat your back. But it's not gonna help. Poor girl. Alright. These are Audrey's first hiccups. And they're so cute.